Good morning, Junior 4. Let's start to answer the what we can sheet 4. Choose the correct answer. Okay, let's choose together the right answer here. 8,000 and 2 tenths. 8,000, it means 8 in the thousands and 2 in the tenths. There is no hundred. So remember this will be no 100. So 8 here. 8 here in the thousands, no hundreds, and 2 in the tens, and nothing in that. Once, yes, it's timed by 2 zeros or 100, so I'm going to add 2 zeros. So my answer will be 800 to 2000. So which one is the answer? This one. Let's see the next one. 873 plus 27 equal 27 plus 873 is which property? So this are the same numbers and we're going to just replace between the numbers. So this is commutative property. Let's check on the other property, additive identity, when we add with zeros, and associative when we just put two brackets between three numbers or more. 3 million plus 500,000 plus 70,000 plus 40 plus 8. So here I have what? I have the places and I want to put this number. I have 3 in the millions, nothing in the millions. So this one is not right. What about number B? 3 in the million, 3 zeros in the millions because there is no one in the million place, and 570 in the thousand, 48. So this is the right answer. By using front-end strategy, 8,784,251. Front-end estimation means to put the highest place on the same value and to neglect all the rest and put them 0 instead. Instead of them 0. So I will keep 8 like it is and put all the numbers then zeros. So where is the number that starts with 8? It's number B. Which choice, okay, shows how you would correctly use rounding to estimate reasonable answer to the problem 726 minus 248. Remember, in the rounding, we have two groups of numbers strong, they push the number to the next value, and numbers weak, and they stay at the same value. Which numbers are the strong ones? Are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And which numbers are the weak one? Is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 726 rounded to what? So I want here to round to the hundreds. So the 2 in the strong numbers or weak numbers is weak numbers, so it will be 720. So I have here 720 and here also. But here I have here 2 beside it 4. So 4 is also in the weak numbers. So the 4 will stay 2. So this if we round it to the hundred. Okay, but what if here it's all of them rounded to the tens? What if I round them to the tens? So this time I will look to the ones. Okay, so let's see here. 726, it's going to be to the tens rounded as 720? No. 730? Yes. But let's see the next one here. 248. It will be rounded to 240? No, because 8 is a strong number. So what is the right answer? it's going to be 730 minus 250. Excellent. Let's see the next one. 7,300,014. 7 million. So 7 in the million. Okay. And 7,300,014 greater than which of these? Let's check. 7 million. So 7 million, I have here also 7. And here also 7. And here 12. It can't be because 12 million greater than 7 million. So this will not be a right answer. Here 432 million. So it's also greater than the 7 million. So this is not a good answer. So now let's check between these two answers, A and B. So here 7 and 7, 2 and 9. If I choose 9, this would be number greater than this. So this is also would be a wrong answer. So my final answer would be right, number A. If x plus 23 equal 32, then x equal what? So I know here that the x is in the whole, in the x in the whole and port. So x in which place? X in the port, and the 32 is the whole. So to get 32, I have to get the x, I have to say 32 minus 23, and the answer going to be what? Yes, the answer is 9. Let's continue. If 0 plus 8,321 equal 8,321 is using what? Here I said when I use the 0, it's the additive identity. Let's continue. In the opposite bar model, the equation which you can for it, it's the value of x. Now x here is a port, right? So the equation going to be what? Whole minus port, right? To get the other port. So I'm going to say 43 minus 17 equal what? So the value of x will equal what? 4 minus 3 can't be. The 3 going to be 13. And the 4 going to be 2. 13 minus 7 equal 6. And 2 minus 1 equal 1. So the answer going to be 16. Let's check the answer. Okay. 8,625 minus 438. Let's check the answer. 5 minus 8 can't be. The 2 will be 1 and this 5 going to be 15. 15 minus 8 gets count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer would be 7. 1 minus 3 can't be. The 6 will be 5. And the 1 will be 11. 11 minus 3 equal 8. 5 minus 4, 1. And 8 would be the same 8 because nothing to subtract with. Let's see here. 785,000 equal how many hundred? 100 means 2 zeros, so I crossed 2 zeros and write the rest of the number, which is 7,850,850. And of course, don't forget to put the comma. Now I write this number in the word form. Again, to make the word form, I have to define the periods and start to write. 4,000,000, 300, 12, 1,000s. 601. Let's continue. 37 plus 3 plus 40 equal 37 plus 3 plus 40. It's which property? When we add more than two numbers, we call it associative property. And of course, we using the brackets. And let's answer the right answer. Is 37 plus 3 equal 40? And another one is what also? I have already 40. 40 plus 40 equal what? Equal 8. Let's continue. The value of the digit 0 in this number. So remember, junior 4, 0 is always 0. So the place is only can be different, but the value of 0 always 0. What is 100 times greater than 10 million? 100 times greater, this is mean I multiply by 100. So I will write the same number and add to it 20. So let's write 10 and 6 zeros for the millions. Now I need to put or to time by 100. So I add 2 more zeros. So what is the number? Let's put the commas so I can read it. 3, 3, 3. So what this number? Yes, exactly, is the 1 million. 10 million become 1 million. 63,741,034 in a standard form. Remember, to write the standard form, you will only write the numbers with comma. Let's write 63 million. So this is the value of the million and end it with comma. 741. Let's write 741. This in the thousands. 34. Do I have here 100? No. So I put the place of the hundreds as 0 and then 34. Let's go to the last page. Let's see. Match. 5 times 10,000 plus 6 times 1,000 plus 7 times 10 plus 2 times 1. Let's match it with which of these? 5 times 10,000, this is mean would be 50,000. 6 times 1,000, this would be in the thousand. So let's see here which of these have 56 in the thousand. I check it and I found this one and this one and this one. So let's continue reading. 7 times 10. So the one I needed have 7 in the tens. Do I have here 7 in the tens? No. And this one 7 in the tens? Yes. Here in the hundred. So this is the only one with 7 in the tens. So this is my right answer. Okay, let's check the next one. 53,158 plus 3,562. Let's add it and find the final answer. 8 plus 2 equal 10. 0 and carry over 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 and carry over 1. Here 8 plus 2 equal 10. 0 and carry over 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 2 and carry over also 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 3 plus 3, 6 and 5. So which of these is the right answer? 56,720. This one. Okay, let's check the next one. It's subtracting, okay? 8,458 minus 2,760. 8 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 8 can't be. This would be 3. This would be 15. 15 minus 8 equal what? 7. 3 minus 7 can't be. So this will be 7 and this will be 13. 13 minus 7, let's count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer will be 6. 7 minus 2, 5. So my final answer is 5,672. This is 2, not 1. So my final answer here, it will be this one. Okay. 56,725 round to the nearest 10. Nearest 10 mean or rounding mean to look to the next number and check it if it was strong group or weak group. So I want the tens, so I will check the hundreds, the ones. Now the tens will look to the ones. The ones into the group from the greater group or from the strong group. So the 5 going to give the 2, 1. So it will become 3. So this is the right answer. The queen laid 142,350 eggs in 3 days. If she laid 100,890 eggs in 2 days, how many eggs did she lay on day 3? So here the equation said that I have queen of eggs laid 142,350 eggs in 3 days. So the sum of the 3 days equal this number. Okay. If she laid in 2 days only, the sum of 2 days was 100,890. So the left for me is the third number, right? So I will treat 142,350 as a whole. And the 2 days will be 100,890. And the number which is missing, I will just call it by any letter. I can call it here x. Now to find the x, the equation would be what? X plus 100,890 equal the whole 142,000 142,350. So the solution would be what? I need to find the x. So I'm going to say x equal, x equal what? X equal the whole minus the part. Now let's find the answer. 0 minus 0, 0. Ah, 0 minus 0, 0. And 5 minus 9 can't be. This would be what? This would be 2. And this would be 15. 15 minus 9, 6. 2 minus 8 can't be. So this would be, this would be 1 and this would be 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 4, 4 minus 0, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer would be 41,460. And this would be the last question in the weekend. I hope you understand it and it was easy for you. Thank you. See you next time.